Okay, in this problem, I'm going to help you find the vertex, axis of symmetry, y-intercept, domain, and range, all while it's written in, and write it in vertex form when the equation is given to you in standard form. First of all, we're going to find the vertex by doing our formula, which is x is equal to the opposite of b over 2 times the a. All right, so in our situation, our b is negative 12, so we're going to write positive 12 over 2 times the a, so 2 times 2, right? So we have 12 over 4, which is 3. Okay, that's our x coordinate of our vertex. Okay, now to find the y coordinate of the vertex, you are going to take your answer and you're going to sub it back into the equation. So instead of x, we're going to substitute in 3. So we're going to do 2 times 3 squared minus 12 times 3 minus 7. Okay, and we can just type that into our calculator and get our answer for y. Okay, so we can just go like this. We can put this into our calculator. So 2 parentheses 3 squared minus 12 parentheses 3 minus 7. And we get that our answer is negative 25 for y. Okay, so that's our x and our y coordinate for the vertex, 3 comma negative 25. Now we talked about in class how the axis of symmetry is just the x coordinate of the vertex. So because our x coordinate of the vertex is positive 3, it's just going to be positive 3. The y-intercept of the graph, we discussed how y-intercept is when you plug in 0 to the equation. When you plug in 0 to this equation, it's just going to be the c term, which is negative 7. So your y-intercept is at the point 0, comma, negative 7. The domain for every single quadratic function is all real numbers. The range has to deal with the y-coordinate of the vertex, which is negative 25. Your job is to figure out what symbol to put in there, whether or not you want a greater than or equal to sign or a less than. You look at your a, which is positive, all right? And because a is positive, this function is going to be greater than or equal to. If your a was negative, you would have done less than or equal to. All right. And then the last thing I'm asking you to do is write this quadratic in vertex form. Oops. Okay, so our vertex form is y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. You're never going to change the y and the x. That always goes into your problem. Okay, so you're going to have y equals parentheses x. Okay, your job is to figure out what the a, the h, and the k is. The a is the same a from the beginning of the problem. The a in this problem is 2. All right. The h is the x coordinate of the vertex. So it says minus h. So you're going to write minus 3 in that spot. It's always raised to the second power. And then the k is the y coordinate of the vertex. So our y coordinate of the vertex is negative 25. And that's how you write the equation in vertex form.